In the shimmering skies of coastal Asia and Australia, where the land meets the sea, a bird of elegance and grace reigns supreme. The Brahminy Kite, its chestnut wings outstretched, its snowy head a beacon against the heavens, soars like a symbol of freedom and power. This striking bird of prey is unmistakable in appearance. Its chestnut feathers drape across its body like a cloak, while its head remains a stark white, creating an almost regal contrast. The hooked beak, sharp talons, and piercing eyes make it a formidable hunter of the skies. Every Brahminy kite is an aerial expert, capable of spotting prey from a great distance. With wings adapted for agile flight, they can effortlessly glide over vast expanses, conserving energy while remaining ever vigilant. Unlike many of its raptor cousins, the Brahminy kite is not solely a hunter. It is an opportunistic feeder, known for scavenging as much as hunting. Its diet is diverse, ranging from fish and small mammals to carrion and even discarded human food. When hunting, it demonstrates impressive precision. With a quick descent, it can snatch fish from just beneath the water's surface, its talons acting like claws of lightning. But when opportunity arises, it is just as likely to scavenge, feeding on the remains left behind by other predator. From the wetlands of India to the sprawling beaches of Australia, the Brahminy kite makes its home in coastal habitats and river systems. Its range spans much of Southeast Asia, from the Indian subcontinent to Indonesia and beyond. These majestic birds prefer areas where land meets water, mangroves, estuaries, and wetlands. Here, they can access an abundance of food while using tall trees or cliffs as their nesting grounds, safe from ground predators. Family bonds are essential for the Brahminy kite. Monogamous by nature, these birds form long-term pair bonds, often mating for life. Together, they build their nests from sticks and leaves, high in trees or cliffs, providing a safe haven for their young. The chicks are carefully tended to by both parents, learning the ways of the sky and the hunt under their watchful eyes. In a few short months, they too will take to the skies, continuing the legacy of their lineage. One of the Brahminy kite's most fascinating behaviors is its playful aerial acrobatics. These kites are known to engage in mid-air mock battles, diving and rolling in the sky as though performing a choreographed dance. While such displays may seem like simple play, they also strengthen bonds between mates and refine hunting skills. These aerial displays showcase their remarkable agility and their ability to navigate the air with precision and grace, further solidifying their status as masters of the sky. Brahminy kite has highly specialized vision, tailored for hunting over water. With a keen ability to detect subtle movements on the water's surface and even just beneath, the kite can zero in on fish, crabs, and other aquatic prey with incredible accuracy. Its vision, fine-tuned to detect changes in light and movement on the water, allows the Brahminy kite to be a formidable hunter, even in the challenging and reflective environment of coastal habitats. Whether in the air or perched on a lookout, its eyes remain ever vigilant. Brahminy kites display remarkable social learning abilities. Young birds learn vital hunting and foraging techniques by closely observing their parents. This process ensures that essential skills are passed down through generations, enhancing the survival rates of the chicks. While many Brahminy kites are sedentary, some populations exhibit migratory behavior in response to seasonal changes and food availability. These kites may travel long distances, following prey and shifting habitats as needed. Vocal communication plays a crucial role in the social lives of Brahminy kites. Their calls serve multiple purposes, from establishing territory to strengthening pair bonds and warning off intruders. As the Brahminy kite soars above us, a master of the skies and guardian of the coastal waters, we are reminded of the delicate balance of nature. It is a symbol of freedom, strength, and survival, a reminder that our world is intertwined with the creatures that share it.